Hello guys, in today's video we're going to look at how to track a person or somebody who did a transaction in GARMY using ZMB59. I already did a first video on how to check the history, so you can check the history, see who moved from the history of an item from one S-log to the other. Now that you have the date, the S-log, and um, the item when it was moved and everything, you can also use that same. You can also use that to look at the person who moved the item, right? So this video is going to do just that: how to look at the person in GRME. This is pure research analysis. So let's begin. So we go to report, go to ZMB59. I already have them in there, so that is going to be your material number. Put in. So let me explain it a bit right here. Let me go back. Right there. So here, so many things can be done here, right? When you have the document number, you can use the document number. Oh shit. When you have the document number, you can use the document number, right? You can use the document number right here. Then, if you have the storage location, it can be which item, which location the item is on. So let's say you have it on your commanders and receipt, you have it on your headquarters and receipt, or first platoon, second platoon, whichever S-log it is, you put it there, the material number. So this makes it easier. It makes it easier to find the item. You can also do it for your class 2s, whoever received it, whoever did the goods received. You can also do it for the class 2s, but this time around we're doing it for the class 7 item. So, and you can also choose the date, especially when you want to do a very straightforward analysis. You can put in the date. So let's continue. Okay, so right here is for just the item that we selected because we were specific with the material number and everything. So that's the material number right there. That is the S-log it belongs to. And this is the movement type, which is 311. That's moving an item from one S-log to the other, right? This is the material document number and the date the item was posted onto this S-log. So this is, I think, my headquarters S-log. The quantity issued, batch A, unit of measure or unit of issue, right there. The username. So this tells us whoever did it. So this is the DOD ID for the person right there. Let's go. As you can see, we put the number in. It shows you the person who did it. Now let's do it for this encryption decryption. So anytime you see this batch user, this is coming from somebody who is above, what do you call it? Probably that person is not in the army. That person works with big army like GCSS guys, the guys behind the interface. These are the people that uses the batch user. So they have a bigger role to come into your system and do a whole lot of stuff. So when you say don't be alarmed, right? So it shows us the person right there. So now let's go back and check when actually this item was moved. So let's cross check the date. So we go back to our primary receipt, double click on the serial number, choose that item that we're looking for, the serial number right there, double click on it. Now we go to history. So now on history, we go to the date it was issued and the date it was received. As you can see, the date is the same and the material document number is going to be the same. The date and the material issue number is going to also, the material document number is also going to be the same. As you can see, there you go. The date it was posted, how many was posted to. Right there, material document number. So basically, that's it. That's how you can track somebody in the system. You know, and this I think this is going to come in handy when a property is missing and you want to know who did it, and also you want to when you want to ask a few questions about the item to get answers from the person. You can actually do this to look at it. And this brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to share to your other 92 Yankees or to other 92 Yankees so for them to get the knowledge. Thank you.